All right, y'all, we are baking with Jericho today. How old are you, Jericho?
I'm 3 years old.
Jericho is 3 years old, and what are we gonna make?
Cookies.
Cookies. We're gonna make chocolate sugar cookies for Super Bowl.
Yeah.
For Super Bowl. So follow along. You ready?
Ready.
Ready. Okay. We're gonna add our butter to our bowl. Okay? You wanna do that? Okay.
Can I grab some butter?
You can? Can you pick it up?
Yeah.
Good job.
All of it?
All of it.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Good. Oh! Oh! Good job. Okay, now that that's mixed, can you add the sugar?
All of it?
All of it. You can just pour it in. Good job. Yeah, you can mix it with this. Okay. Yep. Okay. Look, we gotta use this one when it's turned off. You can't stick it in there running. It's hard, isn't it?
I'm stronger.
You're strong? I know.
Yeah, I'm stronger.
You wanna add the eggs?
Yes.
Okay, you gotta add them slow, okay? So Charli's gonna help you, okay? Do one. Good. We gotta let it mix up for a second. And then another one. Good. Just one. Okay. Can we wipe it down? Gotta get everything off the sides.
And then we can dump all these.
We're gonna add the sour cream next.
We can dump all those and
We can put sprinkles when they're done on top.
yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, y'all, while baking with a toddler is pretty quick, so if you don't get the instructions here, the instructions will be in the comment section below. Can you add it?
And then all these are here.
We're gonna put these together, and then we're gonna put that in there. Can you pour the coffee in?
Yeah.
Really slow, careful. Hey, careful there, dude. Can you put it in the flour? Good job. Okay, now you wanna put that in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let Charger help you. You can do it carefully. Oh, look, put your hand like this. I'll pick it up. That's Jericho's hand! Look, let's dust it off.
Why go the basket?
So cool, right? We'll just play with it while I get a spoon. Whoa!
All it.
Yeah, we'll use all of it. Oh, look at that! That's why you have to keep it slow. Oh, is it yummy? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now that we have mixed it up to be quite thick, we're gonna dump it. We're gonna taste as we go, but then we're gonna dump it out and knead it with our hands. We're not gonna have any cookie dough left. You're gonna eat it all. Okay, look at all that cookie dough. Oh. Look at. You wanna do another high five? Ready? Push out and then roll it back. Good. We have our cookie dough made, so we're gonna roll it out and then cut out our little football shapes. We're gonna put a little flour down like that. Now can you roll it out? Char will roll out this one. Take this side. and then push like this. Good job. It's a good thing I made a double batch. You've eaten one of the two. Good job. Now that we have slowed down a little bit, we are making football cookies that are filled with icing. So they're gonna be like little football sandwiches. Jericho, do you like Oreos?
Yeah.
Yeah? These are gonna be just like Oreos. Okay, we have a lot of cookies rolled out. So we're gonna stick these in the oven at 350 degrees for how long?
2 minutes.
2 minutes plus 8 more. So 10 minutes total, and we'll check them, and if they're not done, we'll just keep adding 2 minutes until they're completely cooked. You ready? Will you hand me that tray?
Get out of the oven and cool off.
And cool off. So we are going to decorate. You ready? Okay, you wanna start with yours?
Yeah.
Okay, let's flip one over. Which one do you want to flip over? This one or this one? That one, okay. And Char is gonna put some icing in. And do you want to put some of your Baylor sprinkles?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. And then we'll put the top on. And then look, we'll use this and we'll add our laces, okay? Look, you have your football. That's so yummy.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, these cookies taste just like Oreo cookies, and they are super easy for your little ones to make and very kid approved. So when you make these at your Super Bowl party, make sure to send pictures so Jericho and I can see. But until then, make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell so we can change the world one cake at a time. Is it yummy? Can you say bye?
Bye.